grow a business. So the first package, package 1, 2, and 3, those ones are preferred customers. We call them preferred customers because it does not make you a full member. If you join with any of those packages, you can choose any product that you want worth that value. Then package 4 and 5 is what we call the full membership packages. That one makes you a full member. It increases your earning potential. It helps you to build a team, and then you earn also from the people that are joining your team. I'll explain all of that in details. So the difference between the two packages is that package 4, um, you get a pre-packed box, which is called the box your Tumo. It's your start your journey box. It comes with 25 of the best-selling products in Southern Africa. Then the full stock, you choose your own products. So before we go on, I'll just like maybe Dorcas to please just come and run us through the products that comes with the Start Your Journey box, please.